The discovery of fire.
Fire is believed to have been discovered by early humans over 1 million years ago. While natural fires occurred from lightning or volcanic eruptions, learning how to control fire marked a turning point. This breakthrough allowed our ancestors not only to survive harsher climates, but also to shape the environment in unprecedented ways.
Cooking, a game changer.
Harnessing fire led to one of humanity's greatest advances, cooking food. Cooking made food easier to chew and digest, released more nutrients, and reduced the risk of disease from raw meat. With better nutrition and more energy, human brains could grow larger, paving the way for complex thought and culture.
Protection in social life.
Fire provided protection from wild animals and insects, allowing people to settle in new areas. It also offered warmth, which made it possible to survive cold climates. Gathered around the fire, early humans developed social bonds, told stories, and strengthened their sense of community.
Tools, technology, and settlement.
Controlling fire enabled the creation of new tools and technologies. Heat was used to harden wooden spears, shape stones, and eventually work metals. Fire also made it possible to clear land for agriculture and build permanent homes, which were crucial steps in the rise of civilization.
Legacy of fire in human history.
The mastery of fire is considered the original technology that set humans apart. It underpins advances in science, industry, and daily life even today. From ancient hearths to modern power plants, our story as a species is deeply connected to our ability to control and innovate with fire.